Open black lens bracket from INIU. The Safe Fast Charge Pro Close Black Lens Bracket. Experience the safest charging with over 38 million global users. At INIU, we use only the highest grade materials, so we do have the confidence to provide an industry-leading 3 years warranty. Open black lens bracket 3. 1A Fast Charge Close Black Lens Bracket. The built-in SuperConductivity copper wires enable a secure and real 3.1A output to charge your device at a blazing fast speed. Incredibly charge your phone from 0 to 90% in 1 hour. Open black lens bracket. A strongest construction close black lens bracket. Exclusive FLYWEAVE braided coat flexible taper joints. Combine 250D bulletproof fiber core to build a cable so durable that will outlast your phone. Open black lens bracket. Sleep-friendly LED indicator. Close black lens bracket. Boast LED indicator at the USB-C end to help you easily find it in the dark. Open black lens bracket. 1 package, 5 fast charging cables. Close black lens bracket. The real one-stop cable solution, with 2 3 FTS, 2 6 FTS and 1 10 feet. You'll wonder why you bother to buy any extra cables. Share them with your family or friends, or simply put them anywhere you want to stay powered. They've got your needs all covered. Open black lens bracket. What you get. Close black lens bracket. 3 feet USB-C cable. 2 6 feet USB-C cable. 2 10 feet USB-C cable. 1 cable strap. 5 user manual. 1 30 days money back. INIU industry leading 3 years warranty and lifetime technical support. Top reviews from the United States. Still going strong after a year. I was dubious of these at first because of the price point, but I have now been using them for over a year and they are all still functioning perfectly. I keep one in each of my 2 cars, one permanently plugged in next to my couch, one permanently plugged in at work, and carry one as a spare. None of them have given me any problems. They all still engage the ports properly, all the little lights still work, none of the plugs have gotten bent or broken, and none of the cords have pinched, frayed or snapped. Now I just need to find something of similar quality for my GFS iPhone.